You know that feeling when history suddenly feels alive, like it's talking straight to you?
Hmm, yeah. That moment when you realize it's not just old stories, it's real people and real choices.
Exactly. And today's conversation dives into that feeling. This English listening conversation is from JA Info Urdu. So subscribe now to improve your English.
Nice reminder, and honestly, learning English with history makes it way more interesting.
So, let's talk about Abbasi history. What's the first thing that comes to your mind?
Well, I think of the Abbasid Caliphate. Power, knowledge, and Baghdad shining like a star.
Yeah, Baghdad wasn't just a city. It was like the brain of the world back then.
True. Scholars from everywhere came there, sharing ideas, books, and cultures.
I always find it amazing how learning was valued so much in that era.
Same here, it feels inspiring that rulers supported science and education.
The House of Wisdom is my favorite example of that support.
Oh yes, translating books, discussing philosophy. It sounds like a dream place for learners.
And it wasn't only Muslims, right? People from different religions worked together.
Exactly. That mix created creativity, respect, and new knowledge.
Sometimes I wonder, could we learn something from that Abbasi mindset today?
Definitely. Openness, curiosity, and valuing knowledge above ego.
Of course, it wasn't all perfect. Politics and power struggles existed too.
Yeah, history is never simple, but that makes it more human.
Do you think that's why Abbasi history still attracts people?
I think so. Because it shows both greatness and mistakes side by side.
When I read about Abbasi rulers, some feel very wise. Others, not so much.
Same here. It reminds me that leadership really matters.
And language played a big role. Arabic became a global language then.
Right. Science, medicine, math. Everything was written and shared in Arabic.
That's why understanding this history gives deeper cultural confidence.
Yes, it connects identity with knowledge, not just pride.
Sometimes people think history is boring, but Abbasi history proves otherwise.
Totally agree. When you tell it like a story, it feels alive.
Imagine walking through Baghdad's streets back then.
Wow. I can almost hear the markets, scholars debating, and pages turning.
That imagination helps English listening too, doesn't it?
It does, because emotions make words stick in your mind.
So learning English through Abbasi history feels meaningful.
Yes, you're learning language and wisdom together.
If someone is new to this topic, where should they start?
I'd say start with simple stories, then slowly explore deeper events.
That's a smart approach. No pressure, just curiosity.
Exactly. Learning should feel friendly, not heavy.
Honestly, conversations like this make history less distant for me.
Same here, it feels like we're chatting with the past.
If this conversation helped you enjoy Abbasi history and English together, subscribe to JA Info Urdu.
Yes. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu for more English listening practice and meaningful conversations.